Hi, I'm Natalia from Singer Jamaica Limited, and today I'll be introducing the LG 22 cubic French door refrigerator. Its sleek design makes it ideal for small spaces. The multi-airflow feature, located on every shelf, allows for an even, cooled environment. Humidity control allows you to control the temperature in the drawer that stores fruits and vegetables. Smart diagnosis. With the use of the ThinQ app, you can control the temperature from your smartphone. The app also allows you to check the general status of your refrigerator and provide simple solutions. Come on down to Singer to see our new line of LG French door refrigerators. And remember, all LG products use inverter technology, which provides significant savings on your utility bill. See you soon.